our nation is now focused on the importance, and they realize that we have an opportunity. The administration is trying to seize opportunities. And the opportunity is now, people are very much aware of the importance of manufacturing to the economy. And this is a great time to talk about investing in the future of both manufacturing in general and our children, because that's what will propel our economy forward. The economic investment.
One of the ways to come back and many of them are not high school. Many of them are minorities. Many of them have received most of their technical training within the walls of our company. And many of them are capable beyond what their present position. And I think that the big value that something like Austin Polytech has is that interacting, everybody likes to teach somebody else. If I can get kids into my company, my people benefit from feeling the joy of being a teacher and sharing what they do with other people. So it's the other factor of, I think, Austin Polytech has for the manufacturers. We small manufacturers are pretty lousy at strategic planning. We're so damn busy every day, and we don't get up. This kind of leads us into a planning process. Hey, where are we going to go? What are the technical skills that we need to train our people for in the future? So it kind of is, it's kind of a odd